So hi friend, this is Amit and you are watching my channel Information and Educational Video. So here in this video, I will provide you the complete roadmap to get 100 to 150 marks in Manipal entrance exam of phase 2. As you all know, the phase 1 is already done and many students got very less marks, marks like 40s, 50s, 60s, 70s, this type of marks many students have got. So for those students, I am providing you this video to get 100 to 150 marks within 10 to 15 days of preparation, or if you have a little bit preparation for Manipal, you can do it in 7 to 8 days as well. So please try to watch the video till the end so that you will get the complete information. And if you are targeting 150 plus marks, that is 150 to 200 marks, you can watch my previous video, that is I have already uploaded some days back. You will get the link in the I button as well as the description box. And one more information I would like to provide you, that this year you will be getting better rank at less marks also, because this year the exam is in center and the difficulty level is quite high. So according to that, after considering everything relevant to this year, I have provided the updated marks versus rank and rank versus branch that will be available in main campus, Bangalore campus and Jaipur campus. So you can check that video also in the I button as well as the description box. So let's come to the point. That is, in this video I will provide the complete roadmap, that is the number of chapter that you need to cover. Those chapters will be easy and scoring in the examination, because I will be providing those data by considering last 3-4 years of data, because I have analyzed the previous year's paper of Manipal, and also by considering the last phase, that is phase 1. And this is applicable to all the students who haven't done preparation for any entrance exam yet, or the students who have done a little bit preparation for the board examination only, because this video will cover everything, how you need to cover all those chapters, from where you need to solve the question. That is, so if you are first to my channel, please try to subscribe this channel so that I will be motivated to provide you more such video for different entrance exam as well. And also you will not miss any type of information and update about Manipal or any other entrance exam also, including JEE Main, JEE Advanced. So let's start this video. So first of all, let's talk about the important chapter that you need to cover in physics. So in physics, you need to cover the modern physics. That is the most important part of physics in any entrance examination. Modern physics is the most important part. So try to cover that. There will be multiple questions from modern physics itself. And thereafter you can go with the last 2 chapters as well. It is semiconductor and communication system. And after that come to class 11. It is gravitation, unit and dimension. These 2 chapters you need to cover. And also you can go for oscillation waves, and thereafter you can go with heat transfer. So these are the chapters that you need to cover, and in addition to those chapters you can cover the alternating current of class 12, that is easy chapter of class 12. So these are the chapters that you need to cover, and if you have covered other chapters such as current, electricity or electrostat, you can go with that as well. But whatever the chapter I have provided you, that is by the analysis of last 3-4 years, you will have the maximum number of questions from these chapters, and these are the easy chapter. You can easily cover those chapters in the very less time. So now let's focus on the chemistry part. So in chemistry, you just need to cover the last 2 chapters. That is very important, because there will be one question from that chapter that is 100% sure. Thereafter you need to go with periodic table, redox reaction, because these 2 chapters are helping chapters, and that will help you to solve the question of other chapters. And thereafter you need to go with the inorganic part, because that is easy. You just need to remember thing, and you will easily able to do the question in the exam. And also you will not do negative marking in that. And I will be talking about the how you can solve the question in the examination in the later stage of this video. So please try to watch the video till the end. So next topic that you need to cover in chemistry is solid state, and thereafter you can go with chemical kinetics and surface chemistry. So these are the chapter, and if you want to go for organic part, if your GOC is good, then you can go with organic chemistry as well. But if not, then don't go for those chapter, because that will take more time. So these are the chapter that you need to cover in chemistry. If you want, you can go with chemical bonding, that is also a very important chapter, and ionic equilibrium as well. This was about the number of chapter that you need to cover in chemistry. So now let's talk about for mathematics. In mathematics, you need to go with probability, permutation and combination, because these 3 chapters are interrelated with each other. Thereafter go with the statistics and mathematical reasoning. These 2 chapters are very easy. There may be one question, that's why I am suggesting you. And thereafter you need to go with vector 3D and matrices determinant. These 4 chapters are very important, and there will be multiple questions from these 4 chapters. So try to cover this chapter, and thereafter you need to go with set, relation and function and trigonometry. So these are the chapters that you need to cover in mathematics. I will not suggest you go for the differentiation and conic section, because those chapters, or integration, because from those topics there will be hard question in the examination. So you may do negative if your concept will be not 100%. So these are the So that's why I'm avoiding those things. But if you have covered that in detail, you can go with that also. So these are the chapter that you need to cover in PCM, that is physics, chemistry, math. So now let's talk about the process that you need to follow to cover all the chapters. So first of all, you need to get the concept. Thereafter you will solve the question. So for getting the concept, you can take the help of your coaching from where you are enrolled in any online or offline coaching. If you don't have anyone, you can see the YouTube lecture as well, but that will be distracting. So if you want complete mentorship and guidance for the phase 2, that is once you will register with my guidance, I will be guiding you for the preparation first and thereafter for the counseling process, because counseling process is most important. Even if you will get better rank, better score, you will not get the best college, because once you do mistake, other will take advantage of that. So that's why it is very advisable to have a mentor or guider who can guide you for everything, so that you will get the best out of your preparation and best out of your rank, whatever you will get after the result. So if you want, you can contact me anytime through Instagram or WhatsApp number, so that we will have a detailed discussion. And after that, if you want, you can join the mentorship and guidance program. So now I would like to introduce the Philo app, where you can get the solution of all your question, doubt, or you have problem with any type of concept related to JEE or NEET or boards examination. Then you can get the solution 24/7 with these 3 easy steps. That is, first you have to download the Philo app in the Play Store, and then you have to do the sign up process using your mobile number. And after that, take the photo of your question and upload that in the app. And after that, within 60 seconds, you will be connected to the India's best educator.
क्वेश्चन में आप कहना चाहते हैं कि बल्ब की पावर कितनी है। अगर बल्ब जो है वो 220 वोल्टेज पर ऑपरेट हो रहा है, राइट। इस बैटरी का जो वोल्टेज है वो आपको गिवन है 220। तो ये आपको सिंपल रिलेशन हो गया यहाँ पर। अब अगर कोई आपको और डाउट है तो बताइए।
So without wasting your time, download the Philo app. Link is available in the description box and use the code IEB001. You will get the 10% instant discount. So now let's come to the point. It is, after getting the concept, what you need to do in order to solve the question. So for solving question, I will suggest you solve the easy to moderate level of question of JEE Mains question. That will be the question that will be same as compared to JEE Mains easy to moderate level question. So try to solve that. If you find previous year question, you can go with that as well. But I'm sure if you have appeared in phase 1, you know the quality of question that will came in phase 2 as well, because there will be similarity. So it is very advisable to solve easy to moderate level of question. And for that, if you want, you can join any type of test series. There is a test series, the link is available in the description box. You can join that as well, because that will help you in every type of entrance examination, and it will also help you to manage the time, do less negative marking, and make your and prepare your mind for the examination. So if you want, you can join that or any test series that will have easy to moderate level of questions. So this was all about the complete roadmap to get 100 to 150 marks in Manipal entrance examination for 150 to 200 marks. I have already uploaded a video some days back. You can check in the I button as well as in the description box, and also you can check updated marks versus rank versus branch video for Manipal 2022. So thanks again for watching this video. Please try to subscribe this channel so that you will not miss any type of update and information about Manipal as well as JEE Mains, JEE Advanced, and other entrance exam, other counseling also in this same channel. Thanks.